What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 4 very useful image edit ChatGPT prompts. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, let's learn how to turn this image into that image, okay? With a simple single word prompt, okay? All you have to do is upload your picture and use this prompt right here, PROSHOT, okay? This is gonna create an image that is perfect to upload on your LinkedIn profile, okay? So base it into your picture, they're gonna create a LinkedIn profile picture. Nice, right? And here is the second one, that is one of my favorites, okay? Same process, okay? Click into the plus button, go to add photos, select a picture of yourself, just like this, and use this prompt right here, NEWBG, just like this. You can change the prompt, the level, okay, up to you, and wait for the magic to happen. Now, one of my favorites as well, that is the HDREAL, okay? What is this? What does it do? This makes the image a high quality version, okay? For example, imagine that you have an unoptimized image or an image that is blurred and you would like to have the image into HD. Here is the original image. As you can see, there is some blur. Here is the HD image. Can you see the difference? It's much more high detail. Looks like a real professional camera that took this photo, okay? So this is one of my favorites. And finally, let me just see if the second prompt is already working on. ChatGPT changed how much time it takes to create a picture, okay? And the final prompt, that is one of my favorites. It's this one, /together, okay? You're gonna need to upload 2 pictures in this case, okay? A picture of yours and a picture of your wife, for example. And ChatGPT gonna create this version right here. It's really, really well made. It's a nice and good option, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.